Hey there! Welcome back to the channel where we turn the chaos of video production into a smooth, streamlined process. Today, I want to walk you through a ridiculously fast way to turn your long-form videos into tons of snackable clips without losing your mind. We are talking about skipping the hours of tedious work in heavy editing software like Premiere Pro and finding a much smarter way to work. If you are a content creator, whether you do podcasts, long-form live streams, or interviews, this is one of those tools that can honestly save your life. The tool is called Vizard, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step so you can maximize your productivity. We'll cover what settings actually matter, how to refine your clips, and I'll even share some real-world tips to help your videos go viral. First up, open your favorite browser and head directly to vizard.ai to get signed in with your Google account. The login process is lightning fast, just a couple of clicks, and you are immediately inside the platform ready to roll. The entire philosophy here is to get you to the actual editing page as quickly as humanly possible, because time is the true enemy of consistency. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which I like to think of as your central content command center. Right up front, you will see a prominent upload area where you can drag and drop your long-form video files with ease. Whether it's a podcast episode, a 40-minute deep dive tutorial, or a massive live stream archive, just drop it in and let the AI take over. Vizard will prompt you with a few basic questions. What platform are you aiming for, like TikTok or Reels, and how long should your clips be? You can also choose whether you want to prioritize the most engaging hooks, funny punchlines, or the most informative moments from your footage. Don't stress about these initial choices too much, because you can always tweak them later to get the AI focused exactly where you need it. Before you hit that big start button, take a quick second to click into the settings menu, because this is where the real magic happens. You can set your preferred aspect ratios here, like vertical for Reels or landscape for YouTube, saving you hours of re-exporting later. There is also an option to control how aggressive the AI is at chopping your video, helping you decide if you want microclips or longer highlights. Look out for the camera motion and stabilization toggles as well, which are lifesavers if your source footage was a shaky phone recording. Okay, now go ahead and hit that generate button to let the system analyze your entire video file from start to finish. The AI is looking for high-energy segments, massive reactions, punchlines, and those critical aha moments that keep viewers watching. It goes beyond just volume levels, actually tracking engagement patterns, speaker energy shifts, and moments where the narrative takes a turn. The system will then propose a batch of ready-to-post clips, and honestly, the first run is usually surprisingly accurate right out of the gate. But don't worry if it isn't perfect, because you have full control to go in and fine-tune every single clip to your personal taste. Head into the library view to see the generated clips, which are presented with clean thumbnails, timestamps, and auto-generated captions. You'll notice helpful tags like highlight, reaction, or how-to, which makes it incredibly easy to organize your content strategy. Click on any clip to play it, trim it slightly more, change the start and end points, or even swap the aspect ratio on the fly. I personally love the ability to toggle on the automated captions, as they are surprisingly good and you can easily edit them in line. Remember, in the world of social media, captions usually equal more views, so never skip this step. Now, here is where Vizard really starts to outpace other tools in the market. The powerful batch management features. Instead of exporting clips one by one manually, you can select a whole batch and send them straight to your content schedule. Just hit the auto schedule feature, tell it how often you want to post, and pick your platforms, and the AI will space them out for you. It will even intelligently alternate types of clips, so your social feed doesn't feel repetitive or boring to your loyal followers. Compare that manual nightmare with relying on 3 different scheduling apps, and you can see why this saves so much time. There is also a dedicated content calendar view, which is absolute gold if you are producing content at scale. You can see your entire month at a glance, drag and drop to reschedule, or add notes to specific clips whenever you want. If you need to push a clip to capitalize on a trending moment, just move it to a different slot instantly. It's visual, simple, and saves you from the total mental overhead of dealing with complicated spreadsheet macros or calendar chaos. I should call out a few practical tips while you're here, like not being afraid to overgenerate your initial content pool. Let the AI suggest 30 to 50 clips, and then simply curate and pick the 10 absolute best winners from the bunch. It is always significantly easier to choose winners from a list than to try to fabricate them from scratch every single day. Second, always edit the captions to include a strong hook in the first 2 lines and maybe add a clear call to action. People respond much more to personality than polish, so keep your writing casual and authentic to your brand voice. Third, use the platform selection to tailor your cuts, creating fast-paced edits for TikTok and more explanatory versions for YouTube Shorts. Now, let's have a little real talk about other options on the market, because traditional editors always give you maximum control. But software like Premiere or Final Cut can be a huge time sink and often feel like overkill for your daily clip churn. Other AI services often charge a crazy premium or produce clips that feel totally robotic with bad timing or weird, jarring cuts. Some are just one-trick ponies that are great at trimming, but lack the scheduling or calendar features you need to actually publish. Vizard is built specifically for creators who need both the AI smarts and the publishing pipeline, all in one unified place. That's exactly why it cuts down your workload so much, because you aren't juggling 3 different apps just to get one video live. Back to the tool itself. In the right-hand corner, you will see your profile, where you can check your plan and your credit limits. If you are on a free trial, it will show you exactly what features are limited and how many total exports you have remaining. If you grow and need more capacity, they offer scalable plans, but start small and test that the workflow actually fits your process. A few more pro tips while you are editing. Always try to tweak the AI suggested hook if you can, because it adds your unique flair. The AI is clever, but your unique voice is the secret sauce that actually gets people to stop scrolling and start clicking. Add a tiny zoom or a text pop at the exact beat where something interesting is said, because micro animations go a long way. Keep a consistent thumbnail or text style across all your clips, as brand recognition is highly underrated for growing your channel. If you're doing interviews, use the speaker detection to auto-split parts where a guest says something noteworthy, saving tons of time. When you are finally ready to export, Vizard gives you great options like downloading the file or publishing directly to social channels. Direct publishing is incredibly smooth, pushing the clip, captions, and all your schedule metadata to the platform instantly. If you prefer more control, you can export and upload manually, but for most creators, the direct route is just faster and works perfectly. Consider this. If you record a 60-minute podcast, in 1 hour, you can upload, let Vizard analyze, and schedule 2 weeks of content. That is basically 2 weeks of content finished in a single sitting, which is a massive game changer for your productivity. Or, if you stream a game for 3 hours, Vizard will find those short hype moments without you scrubbing through hours of VOD footage. Finally, let's talk analytics, because Vizard helps you surface engagement signals on the clips it generates for you. It will flag which clips are performing better, helping you refine what types of moments you should look for in future videos. Over time, you will see patterns, like maybe your audience loves reaction clips more than deep dive tips, letting data inform your strategy. Alright, that is the quick tour of how you can save hours of work, post consistently, and stop burning out on the manual grind. Upload your video, tweak the settings, let the AI find the good parts, and use that calendar to schedule everything out. Consistency is a real secret sauce of growth, and this tool helps you maintain that rhythm without the heavy workload. If you are juggling dozens of long-form files and need a better way, Vizard is essentially the behind-the-scenes editor you always wanted. Thanks so much for watching, and if you give it a try, come back and tell me how it changed your daily workflow. If you like this walkthrough, subscribe for more tips about making content creation less painful and way more fun. I will catch you in the next video with even more tools to level up your game.